Welcome to Charts by Social Explorer. This video will show you how to work with series in your charts. Data series are basically rows and columns from your data set that are plotted on the chart. Add a new series by clicking the plus button in the Data Series section. Choose a column or row from your data and click Add to plot the data on the chart. To delete a series, hover over the series and click the X sign. This way, you can manage the data you want to plot without making any changes to the original data set. In the Data Series section, you can adjust general settings that automatically apply to all series, or adjust the settings for each series individually. General series settings let you enable value labels for data points and choose from several label formatting options to give your chart viewers better insight into your data. We offer a dozen different chart line styles to choose from. Click on any line style to see how it looks, and then pick the one that best suits your chart. To make your data points stand out, enable the marker symbols. After you choose the style you want, use the slider to change the symbol size. Turning on the Tooltip feature lets you display data when a viewer hovers his or her mouse over individual values. Use the Tooltip editor to choose which data to display and how to format it. To import existing data into the Tooltip, click the Variables menu and choose which data from your data file you want to show. In the Variables menu, you can also choose to show series titles or series color indicators. To show information that is not in your data file, simply type the additional information directly in the Tooltip editor. After making the change, click Away and the Tooltip content will update. Turn on the Share Tooltip feature when you want to display values for all series and have a more detailed overview of the data. To get to individual series settings, click on the Series tab. Here you can set the chart's horizontal axis and edit series one by one. For example, let's set a different marker symbol for one series so you can tell them apart more easily. In case you are interested in a specific range of data and you don't want to plot all the data from a series, you can set a range using the slider or type in the range limits manually. This concludes the introduction to working with series. Check out our next video to learn more about styling your chart.